Good evening, listeners. This is Corey Quinn coming to you live from the pine-studded wilderness of Maine, where the internet arrives by mail packet, and we've only just learned of this newfangled cloud computing business. Now then, let's proceed with this week's technological dispatches from the front.
This episode is brought to you by Ona, formerly GitPod. Are you tired of agents that push your S3 bucket to the wrong AWS account or commit tax documents it mistook for JavaScript? Introducing Ona, where coding agents run in parallel in isolated sandboxes in your VPC, with private Amazon Bedrock model support that your corporate overlords might actually approve of. Launch agent fleets with workflows to bulk open pull requests to finally tackle that Java migration you started in 2019. Head to ona.com and get $200 of free credits using the code LASTWEEK in AWS.
Deploying AI models for inference with AWS Lambda using zip packaging. Disregard entirely the artificial intelligence inference portions, dear listeners. This tome serves admirably as a primer on the present state of Lambda zip deployments. One would do well to periodically refresh one's understanding of the fundamentals. What? Announcing Amazon ECS managed instances. Neither the official announcement nor the accompanying blog post deign to mention the pricing page, which is, and I say this with the utmost propriety, hilariously expensive. Mind you, this represents a charge in addition to the underlying cost of the EC2 instances themselves. Is it worth your while? Only you possess such knowledge. I am not you, after all. Simply proceed with your eyes wide open, as it were. EBS increases the maximum size and provision performance of general-purpose GP3 volumes. It is once again time to rerun your calculations, determine that you now require IO2 volumes even less than previously, and subsequently continue to take no action whatsoever. I say, come now, good people. The regrettably christened but otherwise splendid Compute Optimizer shall render you sterling assistance in this matter. Accelerating AWS infrastructure deployment, a practical guide to console to code. This bulletin highlights the AWS console to code feature, which transmutes ClickOps into infrastructure as code, a desperately needed capability that has proven so tremendously successful in the marketplace that we now have all completely forgotten its very existence until this precise moment.
This episode is sponsored by my own company, the Duckbill Group. Having trouble with your AWS bill? Perhaps it's time to renegotiate a contract with them. Maybe you're just wondering how to predict what's going on in the wide world of AWS. Well, that's where the Duckbill Group comes in to help. Remember, you can't duck the Duckbill bill, which I am reliably informed by my business partner is absolutely not our motto.
AWS Builder ID now supports sign-in with Google, and just like that, I find myself thoroughly befuddled as to the raison d'etre of Builder ID. What does it become, pray tell? An AWS-specific Cognito alternative? I don't get it. Build a dynamic workflow orchestration engine with Amazon DynamoDB and AWS Lambda. Herewith, dear readers, instructions for constructing a thoroughly inadequate orchestrator from adhesive tape and confectionery sticks, for which you shall remit payment in addition to the considerable engineering time sink required to build, maintain, and support this contraption. Where AWS Step Functions chimes in from the wings saying, I am standing right here, you chuckle pony. This has been Corey Quinn, broadcasting from the technological frontier of Maine, where progress arrives fashionably late but impeccably dressed. Good evening.